detection and suppression UAV team at Cal Poly. For this project, our mission is to create an autonomous system where the detection drone uses a thermal camera to allocate the fire and sends the GPS coordinates of the fire to the suppression drone to drop the fireball extinguisher ball on the fire.
One of the essential tools that allowed us to design our dropping mechanism is computer-aided design, or CAD. In any technological career, design is a very cyclical process. For this project, we needed to design a payload dropping mechanism for the fire extinguisher ball that we're going to drop onto the fire.
As an engineer, we deal a lot with structural work, although there is another main part of the process that needs to be accounted, and that is programming. The fire suppression and detection team mainly uses Python, which is a high-level language, and it supports multiple programming paradigms, including structured and object-oriented programming. We developed two codes for the suppression and detection drone, and that ultimately talks to each other and create autonomy. The detection drone outputs live stream of videos from the ground control station, which is a laptop, and uses OpenCV algorithm, which is a huge open source library for the computer vision, machine learning, and image processing, and now it plays a major role in real-time operation, which is very important in today's systems.
Right, so the camera used for this project is an FLI or Boson infrared thermal camera, which has a useful feature for our project, which allows us to highlight different temperature ranges in different colors against an otherwise grayscale image. So, for example, cooler objects or objects that don't meet a specific temperature range that we set will show up as different shades of gray in the image. Meanwhile, objects that do meet that temperature range or are actively on fire would be highlighted in red in the image. So what our program does is it looks at the live feed from the camera frame by frame, looking for red pixels. And after a certain threshold is met, a flag is raised saying that a potential fire has been found. And then we tell the drone to center itself over the flame.
The importance of an engineer allows the capability to build something that will change the world. So why not start now in making a difference?